A smart parking system using IoT, Internet of Things, is an innovative solution designed to make parking management more efficient, convenient, and user friendly. Here's an overview of how such a system works and the key component involved. Overview. The smart parking system utilizes IoT technology to provide real-time data on parking space availability, automate the parking process, and optimize parking management. This system benefits drivers by reduce the time spent searching for parking spots and help parking operators manage their facilities more efficiently. Second is key component sensor. Installed in parking space, these sensors detect the presence of a vehicle. They can be ultrasonic, infrared, or camera-based sensor. IoT Gateway. This is a communication hub that collects data from the sensor and transmit it to the central server or cloud. It can connect through Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or circular network. Central Server Cloud. This is where all the data from this sensor is aggregated, processed, and stored. The server also runs algorithms that predict parking space availability and optimize parking operations. Mobile app user interface. Drivers use a mobile app to find available parking spot in real time, reverse space, and even make payment. The app provides direction to the nearest available spot and allows for easy in-app payments. These softwares help parking operators monitor the occupying and the status of parking space, manage pricing, and analyze usage patterns. Third point is how it works. Real-time monitoring. Sensor in each parking space detect whether the space is occupied. This data is sent to the central server through the IoT gateway. Data processing. The central server processes the incoming data and update the availability status of each parking space in real time. This information is then made available to user via a mobile app or digital signage. User interactions. Drivers use the mobile app to locate available parking spot near their destination. The app can also provide navigation assistance to guide the driver directly to the spot. Payment and booking. Some systems allow drivers to reserve a spot in advance and make payment through the app, streamlining the entire parking experience. Analytics and reporting. Parking operators can use the system's software to generate reports or parking utilize peak hours and revenue. This data can be used to optimize operation and adjust pricing dynamically. Benefits. Time efficiency. Reduce the time drivers spend searching for parking. Revenue optimization. Dynamic pricing model can be implemented based on demand. Reduce traffic congestion. Helps minimize traffic congestion caused by drivers searching for parking. User convenience. Simplify the parking experience with real-time data, navigation, and easy payment options. Challenges. Cost. The initial setup cost of sensor gateway and the software can be high. Maintenance. Regular maintenance of the sensor and network infrastructure is required. Data security. Protecting user data and ensure the system security against cyber threats in cruel. This system represents a significant step toward smarter cities where IoT solutions streamline everyday tasks and improve the overall quality of urban living. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this. And if you have any thoughts or questions, drop them in the comments below. See you.